Hello friends, now to solve this expression we follow the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation. First we solve brackets, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. After we solve O stands for O, we convert it into multiplication, square roots, cube roots and exponents. Then we divide, D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, S stand for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the step first orders exponents. Evaluate the powers first. Now 2 power 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. And now the expression becomes 4 multiply 4 divided by 2 minus 2 plus 2. Now according to this step 1, in the BODMAS hierarchy orders calculated before any basic arithmetic operations like multiplication or a division. Now step 2, multiplication. Now left to right we perform multiplication and division as they appear from left to right. Now first we multiply the digits 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Now the expression becomes 16 divided by 2 minus 2 plus 2. After that we divide the value. 16 divided by 2 equals to 8. Now the expression becomes 8 minus 2 plus 2. Now according to this step 2, division and multiplication hold the same level of priority. Therefore you must solve them in the order they appear from left to right to ensure accuracy. Now the third step, addition and subtraction from left to right. Perform the subtraction and addition from left to right. First we subtract the values. 8 minus 2 is 6 and the expression becomes 6 plus 2. Now 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 and 8 is the correct answer. Now according to this last step, just like multiplication and division, addition and subtraction have the equal priority. Working from left to right prevents common errors like accidentally adding the last two numbers first, which would change the result. Conclusion says by strictly adhering to the BODMAS hierarchy, we ensure that the exponents are handled first, followed by multiplication and division group, and finally addition and subtraction group. So the final answer is 8, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.